Hey everybody at Discord. What I'm going to show you here, just for people with a paddle board, it's took me months. I don't know whether you guys and girls on that remember me speaking to Andy about terrible hissing, coming from the paddle board, and Andy was saying it is one of them things, which it is, like what I found out too. But I have found this thing, a whole lot of people probably use it, but in case you don't, buy this here. It's called a pure buffer. Wee paddle, that wee thing there. Pure buffer. You need a 9-volt adapter with the polarity the opposite way, the negative and the plus or something. I'll tell you, if anybody wants to get, I can tell you what it is. This is just a quick wee video to let people know. But see, honest to God, guys and girls, I'm not joking you. It's changed my paddleboard. I know I should be doing a wee thing and showing you the sounds, but I can't do it at the minute. It's just a quick video to let anybody know. It is absolutely, they are brilliant. They're 15 quid. You put it at the start of your paddleboard. You know the way you have your tuner there? Well, it's not on, but everything's on. You put your tuner on, right, there's it there. It goes, as you know, just goes straight, that goes straight to the guitar. Then your first pedal, put it on first and use the right adapter, and honest to goodness, you should see the sound. The sound of it sounds maybe cheap ghoul. It's a wee 1990 something guitar. It makes it sound like a Fender. So it does. It sounds, honest to God, the sound, I've never had sound like it. It's amazing sounds. So it is. I'll tell you what, it's that good. It's actually turned my hair purple. But anyway, I just thought I would share that with all yous anyway. And speak to yous all soon, I'm sure. Somewhere along the line. Bye.